Hello. Today I will give you information about Imagine360 Provider Portal. Imagine360 is a platform that offers solutions for employers and employees in health plan management, aiming to reduce costs, make healthcare more accessible, and provide individual support. Imagine360 offers a user-friendly experience. Let's not forget to like for more videos like this. Imagine360 Provider Portal is a platform that makes it easier for healthcare providers to access patient information and speeds up payment processes. Providers can perform transactions such as submitting requests, checking payment status, and accessing patient eligibility information through this portal. To access the Imagine 360 Provider Portal, you must first go to the official website and select the Provider Login section. If you do not have an account, you can create your login information by completing the registration process. You can make some transactions through the portal. First of all, healthcare providers can submit patient requests and track the approval process. You can view payments made and transactions history. Also, you can check patients' plan coverage to see if their services are covered. Finally, you can contact customer service if you have any issues. The Imagine 360 Provider Portal is a very useful tool for healthcare providers, speeding up processes and increasing efficiency.